Hey everybody, Driving with Dane here, coming to you with a quick video. This time I wanted to talk about how you use the multifunction tailgate, or the origami tailgate as I like to call it, on a Chevy or GMC pickup. So first thing you're going to notice, easy way to tell if it's got it, you'll see this split here and you'll have two buttons. So bottom button drops everything, top button drops just this piece. So if you're good, you can push this and push the top button and it'll drop down like that. So this makes it so you can get in a little closer and reach things out of the bed a little easier. But if you need to climb all the way in the bed, you just push this button, pull this down, and then come over here, grab this, and lift up like so. And now you have an extra easy way to get into the bed. Another cool thing you can get, it's an optional accessory. You'll notice these blanks here. You can actually get I think it's a kicker stereo that goes in here. So when you're tailgating, you have really good speakers built into your tailgate. And then to put it back together is all pretty easy. So you pull this, you can see me doing it one-handed here. Now when you go to put the tailgate back up, the easiest way to do it is grab right here, lift, and then this will click. So then you'll notice that you have this piece sticking out, which is actually designed to do as well. So if you have something long, like a piece of lumber or something, you actually have a backstop here. Now let's say it's too long for that, but you still want to have a little bit of a shelf. You put it up like that, and then when you're done, lift all the way up like so. You can also, of course, just push this top button to lower just this piece, or just push this bottom button and drop the whole tailgate. Let me know if videos like this are helpful. Let me know what else you want to see. Like and subscribe, and as always, keep driving with Dane. Forgot one more thing. You can also go like so. So, little bonus thing there, but as always, like and subscribe. Appreciate your time, and we'll see you in the next one.